Okay, recording again. We're back with silly sun man. I can't look
Yeah.
around. Oh. I have flesh. Oh.
Pardon me. My head hurts so much. Do you have any coffee? Any milk? Any bathroom?
Sir? Oh!
Giant bathroom.
Oh god.
Ugh. It's not enough for this many bodies. I hate myself.
She's pointing you to the bathroom. They're all pointing you toward that bathroom.
Oh. Bathroom it is.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, I don't have
report.
the thing.
You could do some platforming.
Oh, lovely. Cause that's what. Oh, fuck me sideways. Oh. That was a hell of a trip. What the fuck? Where am I?
Guess you gotta go in the village.
No, I don't wanna.
You don't wanna. But you gotta.
It says. Oh, it just takes me this way. Egg? What the fuck?
Oh my god.
Like that way.
Oh my god.
Okay. Is there gonna be a different one each time?
Oh my god.
Well, I guess you guys are losing your village because I have to see how many different things. Oh my lord.
It's Anna. Leggies.
Bruh. Sir?
Man. Oh, hey.
Hast thou seen that? Entities fighting each other for thy attention, creating a path to the correct hut for the sinful souls whom arrive to this unfortunate place. I know not which one to trust, which tells the truth. So tired I am of lies.
What does that
The
mean?
lighter orange seems desperate to have thy attention, though it doesn't bother me that much. Despite everything, green always seemed to me a rather poisonous color. The directions from those dark greens, something feels sour in them. For my part, a cup of sack with orange is better than a cup without. The lighter orange, despite...
Okay.
So he's basically saying a hint is to follow the ones that are orange. Because the green ones are possibly lying to you. Yeah, the orange ones seem to be pointing at the one you were right next to.
This one?
Yeah.
Okay.
There you go.
Oh. No. Okay. Tunnel of colors. So many colors.
I'm gonna eat the colors.
What the fuck was that? What the fuck was
What?
that?
Fuck was what?
There's
Fuck
like
was
some
that?
octopus things falling out of the window into the water.
Oh.
What kind of Zelda shit is this?
Oh.
Hell? Hello? My condolences on reaching this place. Whoever you are talking with now is what remains of the former genie of these lands. Forgiveness is only a gift you can never have.
Dear Genie, or to whoever it may concern, my job is to do everything possible to find the boss, for he is our target today. The smoke is in the way of our business and must be eradicated at once.
That boss you're looking for is familiar with his background, his family, his face. Even if you can't answer these questions, you seem to recognize very well who this entity is. Despite this confidence, you and me holding a conversation in this place says a lot about your inability to complete such a task. Could there have been hesitation in your actions? Fortunately, there's not much else I can do for you right now. I choose to remind you that this place we are in is too far from your real physical form. I can only keep you from returning to it. However, I may have an exception for today. Touch my memories. Let me show you a reality, one where you achieved your deepest desires.
Ooh. It looks like a fetus.
It does.
Tooch.
And all it takes is a place and the right food.
Well, damn. I don't think there's anything for you besides, like, the thing.
Okay, it won't let me go that far out anyway. Okay. Okay. Can the business bear the liability of obliterating this smoke machine?
Yes. Press this. Slap that E button.
Slap? Slap. Slap.
Slap it.
Slap. 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 Slap.
Turbo slap! Ah!
Oh, I see what I have to do.
no longer moves. There's a door.
Locker room?
Looks like it.
This isn't the bathroom. Oh. Okay.
Oh, hey.
なあ、頼むよ。
You were done
も
with
う
all
バス
that
ルームの
bathroom
たわごと
bullcrap.
はたくさんだ。
The issue with the bathroom has been resolved. Our business with the boss is our next priority. He will be down the drain in no time.
何に降りるって笑えない
That's
ぞ
not。funny.
適当なこと言ってごまかそうたってそうはいかないから
Acting
な。
like a
あ
novice.
んたの仕事は何
Know
だっ
your
け
job.
いい加減に一気に仕
Cook
事を
some
片付
fish
ける
and
のに集
shit
中す
in
るぞ。
one go.
もう二度とバスルー
Don't
ムの
you
話
ever
をす
talk
る
to
な
me
よ。
about bathrooms again.
Agreed. Toilets are death traps.
ああ、そうだ、言い忘れてた。
I almost forgot to
あんたが
mention.
何
I
をした
don't
の
know
か
what
知ら
you
んが、
did,
その
but
効果は
it
確かに
is
現れてる
really
よ。
working.
あの嫌なスモー
A
クが
lot of
だ
the
いぶ消
nasty
えたん
smoke
だ。
has disappeared.
ご苦労さんだったな。
Good job,
あいな
ENA.
おかげで随分仕事が楽に
Always
なっ
make
た
work
よ。
easier.
だがひょっとすると
Although
ま
now
だ
I
別
think
の
about
窮地に
it,
立たされてるかも
you
し
may
れ
have
ないぞ。
ended up in
エナ
another one of those
ああ、まずい。
predicaments.
こいつは
This
ピンチ
is
が繰り
a
返され
looping
るぞ。
predicament.
Ah, predicaments, huh? I'm good at those.
いいか、今あんたがい
See,
る
I
ところ
heard
の
the
ドア
door
が
you
閉
were
まろう
at
として
is
るら
about
し
to
い。
close right
そこ
now.
に閉じ込められ
And
る
you
か
may
もし
get
れないっ
trapped
て
in
こ
there,
と
you
がわか
know.
らないか。
Well, it's time to be that one drop inside that ocean full of opportunities. Am I right?
ああ、そうかそうか。あんたには
For sure. I
セールス
forgot
の
to
技
have
と
your
やらがあ
sales
るんだっ
tricks.
たな。じゃああんた本当にやれ
You're
るん
really
だ
good
な。
at those, aren't you?
なら行ってきなさい。
No.
やれることは何でもやって戻って
Come
く
back.
るんだ。
There's gonna be like an actual timer, is there? Because I wanted to do more stuff in the store. I didn't think this was gonna take me on such a long backtrack.
Stew.
Huh. The hell am I?
Hiccups.
Hiccup indeed.
Horrible hiccup.
The fuck!
Oh, hey! This reminds me of the one in the Extinction Party short.
I wish I
the
could
auction day.
express my face right now. Why does anything in this game surprise me anymore?
Because that's how it do be.
This is indeed one movie.
Cool.
I have seen this one before, but I am always happy to spend my time on it. Not now, thanks.
Are they watching that thing? Okay. Sir?
Nope.
Okay. It's not.
A dealer in real estate.
Really? I'm too tripped out. This is too much. What the fuck am I doing? What the fuck am I doing here? Take me back to the other world. It was saner. At least I had time to figure out. Is that the ship, technically?
Oh, hey.
Hey.
A nice surprise. Two travelers meet again. Although mayhap in happier circumstance. I can no longer sense the stench of any lie. Vain pretense has met his match, and noble truth holds sway.
Okay.
This ship and her sweet memory bring peace.
Cool.
What knows shall come, but I will remain to greet fair and foul change with song alike.
Cool. Huh? 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 That's on my face! Get off! I don't want it on my face! That's on my face!
Oh no!
It's growing. I don't like that.
I think you should get to the door that you came unto this other world with. Meaning the actual world door.
This
Yeah,
way?
that way. Yeah.
Oh, there
Open
is
the
a
door?
time limit. I wasn't able
The
to
door
do
is
the
now
other.
closed.
What? It's not
It's
budging.
not budging.
What? The fuck? Bruh. This is bullshit. Ah.
Oh, hey, a cutscene.
The fuck? Oh. Really? Okay. End of chapter
End of
1,
chapter
The
1.
Lonely Door.
Yay!
Okay. That's not what I saw Manly do, but sure. Whee!
Well, that's because Manly did a lot more.
Oh, what? Muppet! What? Huh? Huh? Oh. Huh? Am
Hi, Anna.
I okay?
専門外のことはよせ。みんな誤解するぞ。
She ends of chapter 1. Lonely Door. Okay. Continue? Question mark.
The
Save
save
file.
file has reached the end of available content. Please reset the save in order to restart, or just wait for new content.
Okay, let's try again then.
おい。何してるんだ。
Alrighty.
さあ来い。その目を労働に向ける時が来た。
There's like at least 3 endings, I think that's what they said.
There's the true ending, and then there's the failed ending.
I feel like I got the failed ending.
No. Actually, yes.
That's what I thought.
Yeah, you got the failed ending.
That is most categorically doable.
Wonder how I get the other endings.
Did I catch you at an okay time?
Bon retour parmi nous. Je n'ai pas de temps à perdre à insulter une sale escroc toute la journée. Posez-moi vos questions et dégagez. La porte du cheval. Le grand état... Cette porte est malheureusement fermée en raison du décès récent de son djinn. Je suis presque sûre que le professionnel auquel nous avons fait appel cherche... Et... Je n'ai pas de temps à perdre à insulter une sale escroc toute la journée. Posez-moi vos questions et dégagez. La porte des foules. La porte la plus mystérieuse.
Part of the body of the genie of this
À l'intérieur, vous vivrez le tournoi de votre vie.
lifetime.
Si vous gagnez 4 jeux, vous recevez... Abandonnez votre hideuse et misérable vie et... ENA est bannie à tout jamais de cette porte. Ah. Bon retour parmi nous. Je n'ai pas de temps à perdre à insulter une sale escroc toute la journée. Posez-moi vos questions et dégagez. La porte solitaire. Une porte en passant par cette porte. Si vous aimez faire la fête, vous pouvez toujours... Même si, suite à toute l'excitation que dégage l'atmosphère de cette porte... Et... Je n'ai pas de temps à perdre à insulter une sale escroc toute la journée. Posez-moi... Vous pensez aller où comme
Where do
ça?
you think you're going?
C'est pas un
No
endroit
place for scammers like you.
Vous pensez aller où comme ça? C'est pas un...
Hiccups. I'm dying.
Vivarium lies the natural habitat of lakes. They swim freely through the blood so bountiful provided by nature. Okay. The aperture of the event. What a job. Oop. Oh? Bruh! Okay. Oh, these are doors?
Yeah.
I gotta try them. You know, like... Gotta be something here, right? I feel like... Come on. Give me something. You're here for a reason, right? Fine. Okay.
Wow.
Need your phone call.
إني أمور
Wonder. The green ones are deceptive. I don't know if that's true for here. Hey. Cool. I still wish I could make that.
Yeah, almost.
think I necessarily need to spare that one guy. This guy.
Oh yeah. I think you might. Let's eat.
Pause the recording. Well, because I kind of wonder if I can use those chocolates for something else later when I get all the babies, because there's that shop that appears that I saw in Manly's playthrough, and I don't know how to get it open. The one with the lady in the hat, but that's what I'm.
I don't think you can get to that.
Well, how would I get to that?
I don't think you can.
But I saw him get to that in his video. So that's why. So I want to try for that. That's why I don't want to waste the money on the mayonnaise. So I'll go ahead and pause for here until he dies.
Okay.
I see he died.
Dave.
Died. I went to go make my little mug muffin, and then I realized I didn't have any butter left.
Mugfins.
So I tried to do what I could with oil and cream. Okay. So I'm afraid if I get in the taxi, that's gonna start me on the purge event.
Yeah, I think it will.
What do you suckers do for a living?
Well, I'm pissed that you asked me. This magical grandma was just I mean, I'm a taxi driver. I send people to the purge event all the time. Not the bathroom. But, close enough. You just gotta ask first is all.
Okay. My eye itches. There they go. Did you get the one up here yet? I don't think so.
Babies.
I think I got all of them. Horseman. Pets you have though. Look, you found my babies.
Are you their father?
I'm their representative.
Oh, hey.
Okay. Take my allowance in exchange.
Yeah, chocolates.
Cool. I wonder. Okay, they're here.
Oh, you have to find a secret exit to the maze.
Oh, okay.
Oh,
Yeah, and the secret exit, it's a room with a blue carpet and a hole in the floor that leads inside the gift shop. That's how you get to the gift shop with the mannequin head.
Okay.
Anywho,
Also, the mannequin head is
I
called
came
Dahlia.
here in search of the bathroom. I
Oh.
hope to clear my sins
Take that
and
as you will.
have the truth revealed to me. But I couldn't reach it, and now, frankly, I'm stuck here. Could you find a way to send my corpse over to my relatives? They must be waiting for me at the square near Seal House. And be quick, I'll surely be dead before the day is over.
Okay. Okay, I found the Advanced Customer Society in the maze. She's so pretty.
Bienvenue.
Oh, welcome. For a moment, I thought you were a customer. Am I not a customer? Little ENA, if you have ever wondered, it's true, you weren't beautiful enough. Bruh.
She's speaking in French.
If you wish to be beautiful, everyone does. My products don't make you truly beautiful, but perhaps they will hide a few things for long enough for the right price.
Also, fun fact, when she calls Enna Little Enna, she's actually calling her Little Fool.
Bruh. You're free to look, but for now I will not haggle, not even to get you off these premises.
Pas même pour te voir déguerpir. Allez, du balai,
Go on,
petite
my
folle.
little fool.
Allez, du balai, petite folle.
Bruh. Okay. Personal cheese.
Personal cheese.
Make it yours. Apply literally for lips from whichever word amazes people won't be able to stop listening to you.
7 million chocolates.
Bruh. Coconut milk.
Coconut milk.
For that perfect glossy clear skin, people will want to approach you. They will despair.
5 million chocolates.
Jar of Alfredo. For eyes that everyone will want to lose themselves in forever. Hey, I thought I would try. Kelvin. Boing. Boing. Oh. Eh. Swim. Okay.
Hiccups.
Hi, buddy. Witness the beauty of the greatness of existential question. Does the bathroom really exist? Have you seen the bathroom? Let me know your thoughts.
I love the poopy jail man.
I guess since I can't have enough money to buy stuff from her, I might as well go buy the jar of mayonnaise. Even though... Actually, is the kid still alive?
I-
Oh yeah.
Well, because the hoarder man is alive.
Oh, because we reset too. I'll let him live this time.
Mi scuso. Vedi quell'edificio distrutto e vedi quel...
Over here. Talk to Bubblegum Man. The mayonnaise.
With prices this low, you can't afford a life.
go through the other way.
Come on.
You
Oh,
almost-
my hand hurts. There we go.
There you go.
I'm always afraid I'm gonna fall off.
It's okay. He doesn't grasp my gold.
Like the mayonnaise.
Oh, l'hai fatto davvero? Va bene, Rad.
Cosa vuoi adesso?
Oh no.
Pensavi davvero
Really
che
think I
potevi
was gonna let you
lasciarlo
pass because
passare
you did a
perché hai fatto
bad
una
deed? Don't be an
cattivazione?
idiot.
Ma non essere un idiota!
Oh god. Job complete.
Excuse me, Miss.
Going to the wizard.
It's the wizard!
Oh, you aren't who I was expecting to see here. Did that kind. Anywho. Quick, and be quick. I'll surely be dead before the day is over.
Okay, then if I can remember to do this puzzle. Use the crane. Yes. Okay.
Man, I like the wizard.
Yeah.
I almost called him the wizard.
The wizard?
Yes.
Let everything get quiet.
Uh-oh.
I like it when it's quiet. Oh, it picked me up a little bit. Stretched out pixels. Shit, I don't think I was supposed to do that. I think I done fucked up. Shit. I'm trying to do. No! Fuck!
Oh.
Okay, now I got it. Got it. Here, buddy. Weird dog. He loves his toy. Oh. Okay. I just wanted to do that. Okay. Now what the hell am I doing?
You're doing something.
I forgot.
You forgot.
I forgot. So, I came to see what he does if, there we go. If you don't go to him first and you put the mayonnaise on the kid's head, and he's just like, "Who are you, lady? Get lost!" And then it just happens.
Then he just gets obliterated.
Yeah. I don't think I need to do the maze.
No, I don't think so, because,
let's see. Let's see what they say when I do it before the quest.
yeah.
There you ladies are. Meet my new travel companion.
Oh, that explains how you made it back in one big, fat piece.
Would you all be kind enough to spare some coins for Miss ENA? I think I misplaced my wallet somewhere along our adventure.
Ah, speak of the devil. Perhaps this thingamajig I found could be of value to Miss Ina, was it?
Delightful. Off we go then. Don't spend it all in one place.
Take care, dearie.
So, okay, let me think. I think
You
I have
managed
an
to
idea.
get her without destroying the cab.
Yeah, I think I think the skull comes out of the head of that thing when it explodes. Let's see what the wizard says when I show up with the motherboard without talking to him.
What the wizard says?
Yeah.
Greetings. I shall be happy to explain everything to you.
Okay.
One person can be in two places at once.
We've heard this.
The magician does not have to be in two places at once. He can be in one place at one time. Because he would be lost to the other person's mind. I'm glad we understand each other, Anna. You are here because you want to be. I can see it in your eyes.
I'm here for pending business with
Your stupid boss! Firstly, I need to get more info on this pointless shit!
Whoa.
The bathroom! Of course! You are looking for it. That old witch is looking for it. Everyone these days is in search of the bathroom. Now,
I still love the CDI graphic.
but the way
Yeah, I
to
do
the
too.
entrance is...
It makes me happy.
The way to enter the bathroom is through that giant orb you see in the sky past the bridge. But in order to reach it, we must create life itself. Now, go away, Anna, and get life. That shall be our quest today.
I have the thing you want, though. Oh, he just doesn't.
May the gods forgive
Okay.
me.
It's just the same.
Good.
So here's the thing, is like, that space in the dream required the head. The taxi
Oh,
is
but
now.
the taxi driver.
Yeah, that's the thing. Hey. Bro, why aren't you talking to me?
Oh. Oh, poor
Tentacles
guy.
on the other side of his.
Yeah, because you don't have to look for his head anymore.
Does this look different? There's that one that says, I am the taxi. So I'm like, or no, it says, I am the bus.
I'm the best!
Ugh. Shit. Is that not gonna do anything?
I am the best!
I said it in a different way.
It's their pillow.
Hello?
I'm the best!
Okay. Come on, man.
He's the bus.
I'm the best!
Okay, I don't think I'm getting anywhere with this. Damn it. Shit. Maybe it's just teasing me, the fact that I saw the patch of dirt inside the dream at the purge event.
Maybe.
Oh, that annoys me. Anyways, we're gonna stop here because it's pretty much been an hour. I'm gonna cheat later and figure out how to do the other endings. Bye-bye!
Bye-bye.